Hello, 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 everybody. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and more. How is everybody doing today? I am going to be doing an unboxing and welcome in everybody. I appreciate all of you being here. And this unboxing is from HelloFresh. I don't know how many of you are familiar with HelloFresh, but it is prepackaged food. You have to refrigerate it and you can fix it as you need it. And it comes from Newnan, Georgia. My daughter ordered this for me, and you can see the big box that it comes in, and you can see hello across the front. It is HelloFresh, and I'm just going to show you. I don't know what's in here, but I'm just going to show you the meals. Welcome to America's #1 kit. And this is the little leaflet that came in the box. Okay, and I have some other things that came in the box. The HelloFresh box, as you can see here. I'm just going to show you the pictures that I have here. However, I don't know what is in the box, but this is it. And she wants me to try these meals, review them, and tell her what they're like. But she ordered them for me, and I am so appreciative for that. I really, really thank her. And this is something else that came in the box. You can see, and it is well packaged, and a couple of cards here. Claim your free box. Okay, now let me see. It's well packaged, as I told you. I'm gonna try and, okay. Don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. Okay, let's see, and it's real cool here. I'm going to show you this and get it in the fridge. Now this is, let me close this down so you can see. This is sheet pan Monterey Jack unfried chicken. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. Please excuse my wrinkles. I've been busy traveling from the farm to your fridge. Okay, let's open this and see what's in here. I'm gonna have to hurry and get it in the fridge. Okay, it's in a bag. I'm gonna show you what's here. In this box, panko, breadcrumbs, Monterey Jack packet, and fresh carrots. Look at those, they look real good. And guys, this is mayonnaise packet and a hot sauce packet in this particular bag. And this is ranch spice. And let's see some more condiments in here. This is some more mayo. And guys, in this bag, I hope you can see down in here. Maybe I might have to take them out. I'll take some of them out and show them to you. These are little Irish potatoes. See those? And it is 6 of them in this bag. So I am going to rebag this and show you another. HelloFresh is what it's called. And she ordered this from online, and it came from Newnan, Georgia. Okay, that's one bag. So let me get another bag, and let's see what this is. Some type of pork bowl, taqueria. I don't know what this is, but I'm going to let you see what's in here. Okay, this is whole kernel corn in here. And what I don't eat, I will pass it along to someone else. And this is parsley, fresh parsley in this one. And chili powder in that. And let's see, oh wow, some jasmine rice. Little serving of jasmine rice. And all of this stuff is still fresh. It was delivered today. And this is a couple of packs of sour cream. You see there? Some Monterey Jack cheese. And mayonnaise. And this is HelloFresh beef. A lime. Oh, I like a lot of these ingredients that are in here. And what is this? This is Southwest spice. Haven't gotten to any meat yet. And this is a jalapeno pepper. Looks real fresh and good. So I'm gonna put this back in the bag. I'm gonna try and speed it up so I can get these things in the fridge and the freezer. Okay, there's 2 bags. And HelloFresh, and this is white cheddar Wonder Burgers. White cheddar Wonder Burgers. And this, let's see what's in this bag. Interesting. Oh, these are the hamburger buns. 2 of them. And some white cheddar cheese. Some, let's see what this is. Some ketchup in the pack. And a nice yellow onion. Some more condiments in here. What is this? Dijon mustard. Old Bay seasoning. And some more mayo, as you can see there. And I have 6 Irish potatoes in this bag. I'm showing 2, but I have 6. And let's put this back in the bag. This is bag number 3 that I've opened. And everything is still cold. Let's see what's underneath here. Okay. All right. This is the packing. Let's This is the packing, which it can be recycled, and I will put it in the freezer and recycle. Okay, let's see what's here. Oh, this is the ground beef. Look at this. Ground beef, 85% lean and 15% fat ground beef. And look at that. That's what it looks like. And this one is ground pork. Look at that. Okay, let's see what else is in here. And this is, oh, this chicken looks real good. Chicken cutlet. And this is the back of it. And let's see what else. I think this is about it. Yeah, that's it. So, HelloFresh. HelloFresh. And I will get these meats put in the fridge and the freezer. And I had 3 bags of this, and I think she paid probably, if I remember correctly, she paid probably no more than $50 or maybe a little less. Not sure the exact figures, but you saw what I have, and this is the first time I've heard of HelloFresh, but this is the first time that I have ever seen what comes in the box. So here it is. Here it is, HelloFresh. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing, guys. And this is Patty, Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. Please like, give a thumbs up, ring the bell, that notification bell, make comments, and tell me if you've ever had the HelloFresh, if you've ever tasted it. Those potatoes that are in there are good. I know I will be making some cream potatoes or something with those, or some smothered potatoes with onions. I got the onion here. I got carrots. So got some pork, some beef, and chicken. So whatever I don't eat, I will share it with someone else. So thank you guys for coming in and watching this, and I hope you have enjoyed it. I've enjoyed doing the unboxing for you, and I appreciate all of you because you don't have to show support and love, but you do. So I am most grateful to all of my subscribers, content creators, and non-content creators. I am grateful, and I thank all of you. So this completes the unboxing of the HelloFresh. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.